So good morning all. First, let's just summarize what was done in yesterday's lecture. So in the last, Mr. Frank asked Tableau when he said that you are being very better by saying that the book, the English book, which they had, the Aquaman by Aeschylus, is not is a good place, but the way they are taught by Mr. Crocker Harris, it was not good. So then Mr. Frank asked Taplow that why are you here? Because you have Mr. Crocker Harris gave you any punishment, but he said no, sir, because of extra months. So now Taplow says, yes, sir, and I might be playing golf. You'd rather think he had enough to do anyway himself, considering he is leaving tomorrow for good. But oh no, I missed a day last week when I was ill. So here I am, and look at the weather, sir. So here Taplow says that last week he was ill. So he missed a day in the school lecture. So for that, Mr. Crocker Harris today told him to stay back for extra lecture, but he wanted to play golf because that is why he said, Mr. Frank, that what's the weather outside. Here, there is an important aspect that even though it's the last day of Mr. Crocker Harris in the school, because after that the term will be over and he will leave the school. But then also he has told Taplow to stay back for some extra work. So this shows us the personality trait of Mr. Crocker Harris. Very strict. Punctual. Then Frank said, bad luck. Still, there's one comfort. You are pretty well certain to get your remove tomorrow for being a good boy in taking extra class. Then Frank said to Taplow that even though you are getting an extra class, you might get your remove. Then Taplow says that, well, I'm not sure, sir, that would be true of for the ordinary masters. All right, they just wouldn't dare not to give a chap a remove after he's taking extra work. But those sort of rules don't apply to the crook, Mr. Crocker Harris. I asked him yesterday outright if he had given me a remove, and don't you know what he said, sir? So here Taplow says that what Mr. Frank told him that he must get his remove because he's attending an extra lecture after the school. But Taplow says that this might be this might be true in ordinary master's case, but not in case of Mr. Crocker Harris. And here we also get an important aspect about Taplow's personality trait, that he is disrespectful towards his teacher. As here he said, Mr. Crocker Harris, the croc, not paying respect. To Mr. Crocker Harris. And then Frank says, no, what? Then Taplow imitates Mr. Crocker Harris by a very throaty voice, in a very heavy voice. My dear Taplow, I have given you exactly what you deserve, no less and certainly no more. Do you know, sir, I think he has marked me down rather than up for taking extra work. I mean, the man's hardly human. He breaks off quickly. Sorry, sir. Have I gone too far? So here we see this this character trait that he does not pay respect to Mr. Crocker Harris is proven here, as he imitates his teacher very badly and says that even though he's doing extra work and attending extra class, he might think that Mr. Crocker Harris would mark him down rather than marking him up for that class. And he says, Mr. Crocker Harris, that he is hardly human. This is a very harsh word said by Taplow for Mr. Crocker Harris. So then he suddenly breaks off quickly and realizes that he is not saying good for other teacher in front of other teacher. So then he suddenly breaks off and said sorry to Mr. Frank and said, "Have I gone too far?" He realized suddenly that he should not speak that much bad for Mr. Crocker Harris in front of Mr. Frank. Mr. Frank said, "Yes, too much far." Then Taplow says, "Sorry, sir, I got carried away." Here, carried away is means spoke too much in emotions. So then Mr. Frank said, "Evidently," as he imitates Mr. Crocker Harris. In response to that, Mr. Frank said, "Evidently." Then he picks up a newspaper and opens it, then calls Taplow. Then Taplow says, "Yes, sir." Mr. Frank said, "What was that Mr. Crocker Harris said to you? Just repeat it, would you?" So here also for Mr. Frank, an important aspect for his personality that he is not responsible and he in front of Taplow encourages him to say bad about other teachers. So then Taplow imitates Mr. Crocker Harris again, said, "My dear Taplow, I have given you exactly what you deserve, no less and certainly no more." Then Mr. Frank, looking severe, not in the least like him, "Read your nice Aeschylus and be quiet." Then Mr. Frank also realized that he has done wrong thing to again tell Taplow to imitate his master. Then he said him to read his book Aquamemnon, written by Aeschylus. Then Taplow, with a very disliked manner, as we all know that he liked science, not literature, said, "Aeschylus." Then Mr. Frank said, "Look, what time did Mr. Crocker Harris tell you to be here?" Taplow said, "6:30. Frank said, "Well, he's 10 minutes late. Why don't you cut?" So here, cut means no. Why are you not going out and play golf in the ground? You could still play golf before lockup. So here, another aspect of Mr. Frank that he is encouraging Taplow to go against Mr. Crocker Harris. And play rather than attending a class. So then Tableau gets really shocked. Oh no, I couldn't cut the crook, Mr. Crocker Harris. I shouldn't think it's ever been done in the whole time. He's been here. God knows what would happen if I did. He'd probably follow me home or something. So here we got to know that it's proof that Tableau, and just like other students, his fellow students, he is very scared of Mr. Crocker Harris, as his behavior towards his children is very harsh. So then he shockingly says that as Mr. Frank told him to cut Crocker Harris and go out for playing, he said that no, he would not dare to cut Mr. Crocker Harris and go out for play. Then Mr. Frank said, I must admit, I envy him the effect he seems to have on your boys in the form you all seem scared to death of him. What does he do? Beat you all or something? Here, envy is getting jealous of Mr. Crocker Harris, as Mr. Frank is not happy. He gets jealous that the children are so scared of Mr. Crocker Harris, but not of them. As we all know that Crocker Harris was a middle-aged man. He used to have a certain distance from his school students. He used to teach in a very disciplined manner, and not like Mr. Frank, who would teach in a friendly way as he was young, and get students understand him better than Mr. Crocker Harris. So then Mr. Frank asked, well, does he do beat you all or something? Then Tableau replies, good Lord, no, he's not a sadist like one of two of the others. So here sadist is someone who gets pleasure by making others unhappy. So then Tableau replies, no, sir, he is not the saddest, just like other teachers. So here Tableau is in favor of Mr. Crocker Harris, said that no, sir, he is not like that, who would beat us all or who would get pleasure in making all unhappy or humiliating others. So then Mr. Crocker Harris said, I beg your pardon. So this line means he is telling Tableau to repeat what he said, the saddest lines. Then Tableau replies, a sadist, sir, is someone who gets pleasure out of giving pain. Then Frank says, indeed. But I think you went on to say that someone like other masters. So then Mr. Frank says, yeah, I know the meaning of sadist, but you also said that some other masters. So Frank expects Tableau to give other masters name who is sadist, not than Mr. Crocker Harris. Then Tableau replies, well, of course, they are, sir. I won't mention names, but you know them as well as I do. Of course, I know most masters think we boys don't understand as things, but sir, you are different. So here Tableau says, yes, sir, there are some masters in our school which are sadists, but not Mr. Crocker Harris, who would get pleasure in making others unhappy and humiliating others. But sir, you are young, well, comparatively, anyway, and you are a science teacher. You must know what is sadism is. So he says to Mr. Frank that you are also not of that category. You are a science teacher, and you must also know what is sadism is. Then Mr. Frank, after a pause, says, "Good Lord, what are our schools coming to?" So here, Mr. Frank also realizes that that Tableau has a thought process just like other students of other masters in the school that are sadist. So, but here Frank does not realize this, that he is doing the same thing, that he is encouraging Tableau to say ill of other masters, his fellow masters, Mr. Crocker Harris. Then Tableau replies, anyways, the Croc isn't a sadist. That's what I am saying. He would be so frightening if he were, because at least it would show he had some feelings, but he hasn't. So here, Tableau says that Mr. Crocker Harris is not sadist, as sadist also has a feeling of getting pleasure by envying others. But according to Tableau, Mr. Crocker Harris Mr. Crocker Harris do not have any feelings. So neither of sadness nor happiness, no, and not any feelings. He is all shriveled up inside like a nut, and he seems to hate people who like him. It's funny that I don't know any other master who doesn't like being liked. So here, Tableau is shriveled up. Shriveled up means um, he he is surprised to see that Mr. Crocker Harris is like a nut who seems to hate even those people who like him. It's funny that somebody who hates those people who likes him. Thank you.
Very well explained. And I want more students coming up with the explanation. Okay. Things he has nicely put forward. Any doubts and queries that you have? Yes, Weber? हाँ जी मुझे पता है. Come to that. He's not wrong. No, I'll clear that point as well. So, yes, Ashley? I'll explain it. I'm coming to. Yes. No. No. After reading 2 pages, now you have come to know that somewhere Tableau admired his teacher as well. He sounds little disrespectful towards his teacher just because he was upset that day. The teacher had asked him to come on the very last day of the term. The next day, the result was to be announced, and he was not sure whether he was going to get a certificate of promotion. And when here in this part of the dialogue, what he said, you would think he would have enough to do anyway himself, considering he is leaving tomorrow for good. But oh no, I missed a day last week when I was there. He's defending his teacher. That it's not that his teacher has called him just because that he was leaving the other day. For good means forever, because he had taken voluntary retirement. He was going to leave the school. उसके पास अभी बहुत कुछ करने को होगा और शायद उसी में काम है जो टैपलो को वो कुछ बताना चाहते हैं, करवाना चाहते हैं कि उन्होंने उसे वहां बुलाया है. Tableau refuses. He says that no, it is not that. He was just there because he had missed a lecture, and that too because he was ill that day. And the teacher, as you have written that he was very punctual, was very strict with the rules. Rules क्या कहते हैं? You only assess the child when he completes his particular lectures. So here, Tableau has missed one lecture. Some other masters, they would have ignored that last part of the lecture, but Mr. Crocker Harris didn't do so. He follows the rules so strictly that he wanted Tableau to complete even the last lecture that he had missed. And Tableau realized it. He knew that very well. A kind of that he was a sensible and a wise boy. He knew his mistake as well. Although it was not a mistake, he knew why his teacher had called him that day. But he was upset for some other reason. He was worried about his removal. He did not know about his result. Knowing the fact that his teacher was a very strict teacher, very disciplined, a follower of rules and regulations, and what kind of assessment he was going to make, he was unaware. So he said it was he who had missed a day. It was because of that he was there. So his disrespectful part comes from the bitterness that he had just for that particular day, and that bitterness was out of his concern and anxiety, worry about his remove. So disrespectful in that aspect. I hope it is clear, Vaibhav, now. Right? And the teacher says, there's one comfort. Benefit तो होगा, कोई बात नहीं, bad luck है तुम्हारा, तुम्हें last day पर यहाँ आना पड़ा, तुम ball नहीं खेल सकते, weather is fine, you could have gone and played, but still have one benefit. क्या benefit है? उसे extra marks मिल सकते हैं for doing extra work. Because the teachers are the teachers that do appreciate extra work done by students. But Tableau has actually he's upset because he knows his teacher very well. And he makes a remark that this would be all right with other masters. They would not have dared not to give a chap or remove. Chap here refers to students. वो कभी ऐसी हिम्मत नहीं करेंगे कि किसी स्टूडेंट ने एक्स्ट्रा वर्क किया है और उसे उन्होंने ग्रेड ना दिया ना दे वो. बट मिस्टर क्रॉकर हैरिस के साथ ऐसा नहीं है और उसकी बिटरनेस थोड़ी सी लेवल अप हो जाती है एंड ही कॉल्स हिम द क्रॉक. यहाँ उसकी थोड़ी सी ऑब्वियसली जितना भी नाराज हो आप अपने टीचर के प्रति ऐसे डिसरिस्पेक्टफुल नहीं हो सकते. एंड ही कॉल्स हिम द क्रॉक बट ही रियलाइजेस द मिस्टेक एंड देन ही रेक्टिफाइज इट बाय कॉलिंग हिज फुल नेम Mr. Crocker Harris. And the way he had inquired from his teacher about the remove and whatever his teacher had said, he imitates it the way he had said. Throaty voice means coarse voice, rough voice, heaviness जो होती है आवाज. He imitated, उसने mimicry की अपने teacher की. And Mr. Frank is found again provoking him to repeat it again. उसे encourage कर रहे हैं कि हाँ दोबारा से मिमिक्री करके तो बता ना तुमने जो अभी कहा कि तुम्हारे टीचर ने तुमसे क्या कहा. तो एक तरह से वो उसे encourage कर रहे हैं to speak ill of his teacher और उनके बारे में गलत तरीके से उनके अंदर वो भावना पैदा कर रहे हैं आप लोगों के अंदर जो टीचर को कभी नहीं करनी चाहिए. And Tapno is also carried away. टीचर से कर रहा है तो वो carried away हो जाता है. एंड देखिए वो क्या कहता है, वो कॉपी तो करता है, अब वो एक वर्ड यूज करता है हाथी ह्यूमर. इतना अपनी भावनाओं में बह जाता है दैट वो अपने टीचर को कह देता है हाथी ह्यूमर के. He never considered the efforts of the student, the extra effort made by them. He gives them what they deserve. But although is criticizing his teacher, but still we get some favorable points about Mr. Crocker Harris. That he knows the worth of the students very well, their abilities, their interests, what they deserve, and he is very fair in his judgment. Right? And he gives the student what they deserve. So again, a kind of appreciation, but still he goes, and he is quite emotional at that time because he's worried about his result. He knows his teacher very well, and he says that just that he had taken up extra work, he would be marked down for that. क्योंकि उनके टीचर को इस तरह की फ्लैटरी नहीं पसंद है, बटरिंग अप पसंद नहीं है, बच्चे एक्स्ट्रा वर्क करें वो कभी नहीं चाहते हैं. तो आज जब मुझे एक्स्ट्रा वर्क करना पड़ा है तो शायद वो मुझे कम नंबर दें और इसी परेशानी में वो अपने ही टीचर को but he didn't mean to say that. And immediately he realized and he apologized. A teacher like Frank again provokes him. And then see, immediately right after that, he discourages him as well. When he said that you are just good enough to read a stylus, you cannot be a science student. And tabloid will this. And let's do this. Then negative aspect of Frank's character is highlighted when he suggested something wrong to a student. To the class, bunk कर लो, तुम चले जाओ, क्यों वेट कर रहे हो? तुम्हारे टीचर लेट आ रहे हैं, वो आएंगे या नहीं पता नहीं है. Why don't you go away and play golf? I said, it's okay, he's late, you should wait, he'll come. But he said to bunk the class. To which Taplo is also shocked, but scared at the same time. Scared not because that the teacher always punishes or beats them, but as he is very strict, he was worried again about his remove. वो क्या कहता है कि शायद वो मुझे फॉलो करे. मींस ही इज अफ्रेड ऑफ हिज हॉर्न, कि वो उसे हॉन्ट ना करे, परेशान हो जाएगा वो अगर कुछ गलत कर देता है तो उनका डर उसे हॉन्ट करेगा एंड हो सकता है उसको रिमूव ही ना मिले. सो इट्स स्कैर्ड, लिटिल स्कैर्ड. एंड वी फाइंड जेलस महसूस करते हैं. इस जेलसी में भी एक अच्छी बात क्रॉकर हैरिस की नजर आती है, दैट क्रॉकर हैरिस हैज अ गुड होल्ड ओवर हिज क्लास. His students never disobey him. They follow his instructions. And maybe somewhere, Frank's students, they don't follow him. He didn't have that hold over his class, he's envious. And again, he provokes. He wants to know more about Crocker Harris. If but Taplo said that no. Again, he favors, he takes the side of his teacher that he is not a sadist. He's not a person who would enjoy punishing others. And the fear that they have just because he was very sick, and they never know what was going in his mind. आपको डर किससे लगता है जिसके बारे में आपको पता नहीं? And that अगर वो sadist भी होते तो भी शायद उनसे डर नहीं लगता. They would know how he would react. But as he never expressed himself, they never had seen him expressing his emotions, they were more scared from Crocker Harris. So he said that he wouldn't be so frightening if he were, because at least it would show that he had some feelings. अगर वो sadist होते तो हमें ये तो पता होता कि वो punish करते हैं, enjoy करते हैं, उनके अंदर भी emotions है. But he said that he didn't have any feelings. And this was little scary. And वो कहता है कि shivered up inside like a match. Match जो होता है अपने ही covering के अंदर shivered होता है ना, वो अपनी ही दुनिया में से मिटा हुआ सा होता है. ये जो टीचर थे ये कभी भी अपने पास किसी को आने नहीं देते. And he said that it is quite funny that people to like him. ना students और teachers दोनों ही एक दूसरे को चाहते हैं ना कि हाँ students उसे पसंद करें और students चाहते हैं teachers उन्हें पसंद करें. ऐसी feelings होती है mutual. But Crocker Harris एक ऐसे इंसान थे जो ये कभी नहीं चाहते थे कि उन्हें admire किया जाए, उनकी तारीफ की जाए. And when he saw people doing that, वो उनसे और distance create करते थे. So shriveled up like that. He would maintain a distance with people. वो दूरी बना लेते थे. उनको ये पसंद नहीं था कि लोग उन्हें एडमायर करें, पसंद करें, उनकी तारीफ करें. कहते थे ये बहुत फनी है बात. And he said, I don't know any other master who doesn't like being liked. Obviously, एक student के लिए ये अजीब सी बात है कि ऐसा कोई टीचर नहीं हो सकता है जिन्हें ये पसंद ना हो कि उसके स्टूडेंट्स उन्हें एडमायर करते हैं, लोग उन्हें एडमायर करते हैं. Other masters are like that. So he talks about the character of Mr. Crocker Harris, and somewhere again now we see Taplo defending his teacher. And his wisdom is shown here when he avoids naming the teacher who was later. He was carried away. He came under the influence of thoughts of Mr. Frank, but then he handled the situation very well when the topic of sadism came up. He didn't call his teacher a sadist, and he refused to call other teachers, name those teachers who were actually, they were punishing or enjoying by punishing the students. And he said, कि जितना मुझे पता है आप भी तो जानते ही हो. And he also made a remark कि teachers को लगता है कि अब students कुछ नहीं. Yeah, I do accept this fact. You observe, you understand everything. You're calling foolish ones. You're not stupid ones. आप 21st century के students हो. And you know more. You also observe teachers, है ना? Go. So this is what Taplow mentioned about his teacher. Any questions, Veta, up to this part? Is the story clear? Wonderful. Done. So the next one is Supreet. You are going to give the presentation in the lab. Presentation PPT के साथ. You want to give here? Okay. ठीक है, class में दे दो. So this is all from my side.